Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Warzone 2 error disconnected from Steam on PC. So in this video I will show you a couple of solutions, and without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, of course, log into your Steam client, and on the top left corner you should see Steam button here. So you need to press on that, go to settings, and go to downloads, and make sure to clear download cache. And after you do that, you will be required to re-enter your Steam client again by putting your nickname and password. So keep in mind that. And after you do that, then the next thing that you can do here, you can verify your Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game files. So go to library, right click on it, go to properties, and then go to local files and verify integrity of game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that they need to be fixed, so this thing will prevent that. And another thing that you can do here, if you're using VPN, you need to disable for a bit and then try the game. And if you disable VPN and if the problem persists, then the last thing that you can do here, you can go on search and just write command prompt here, and here what you need to do here is to write ipconfig /flush DNS. And what it will do is restore your DNS settings, and it should be fine, right? So the game should work, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.